Hello everyone, today we are going to make a tulip flower. For this we need a very little amount of things, like we need two papers like this white one or the pink one. You can use any color. It is of 15 by 15 or you can use an origami sheet. You need a glue, that's it. So let's start how to do that. First of all, for the flower I'll be using this color, and for the stem I'll be using white color. So you have to make a triangular fold by joining two of its ends, two opposite ends. Then you have to do the similar fold on the other side. Press them perfectly and make sure that both of these, like all these, join at all the corners. Now open it up and you have to join it again, and you have to push it towards the center so that it meets towards the center. Pressing it from the corner, you have to take two on each side like this and press it. Make sure it's pressed well. Now you have to take one up, and again the other side again up towards the corner, like the upper corner. Then you have to do the similar thing on the next side. Now you have to do the similar thing on this side as well. Now when you're done with four of these sides, it will look something like this. Now you have this cut in the center and this cut at the back as well. You will see four of these flaps, like two on each side. Now you have to take two and there's no cut, and now you have to put one inside the other, something like this. You can even put some glue inside it and paste it there. You have to do the similar thing on the other side as well. Make sure you press it and then curve it. It will look something like this. Now you have the hole at the bottom, this small hole. You have to puff air. Holding two of these, you have to puff some air inside it. After blowing some air, it will look something like this. Now what you need to do is, these are the flaps on the top, these four flaps, you have to curve them down and make them kind of petals. And this is how it will look like. Now the second thing is, you have to make now you have to make the stem. You can either make half of it, or you can make with the full page, like 15 by 15. Now what you need to do is, you have to make a simple cylindrical fold, something like this, and at the end you have to put some glue. Now after making that stick roll and putting some glue, it will look something like this. Now you have this flower and you have this like the hole where you had blown the air. In that hole you have to put the stick which you have made, that cylindrical stick, to complete the flower, and it will look something like this. So this is the flower we have made. Make sure you do it and send your photos. Thank you.